This presentation continues consideration of formal charge with its use to justify construction of Lewis structures that are not octet conforming due to electron deficient atoms. The most important element that is not octet conforming is hydrogen. When properly constructed, the Lewis structure of any molecule containing hydrogen atoms will have zero formal charge on each hydrogen. Here the first 8 steps of creating the Lewis structure of methane have been completed. 1. The molecular valence electrons have been counted. 2. The central atom has been determined. Since hydrogen cannot be central, carbon is a central atom. 3. A skeletal structure has been drawn. 4. There are no electrons to distribute as lone pairs. 5. The carbon atom has an octet, and each hydrogen atom has a duet. 6. Multiple bonds are not needed and cannot be formed without lone pairs to reassign, so this step is not applicable. 7. Methane is a neutral molecule, so this step is not applicable. 8. There's only one possible structure, so this step is not applicable. The 9th step is to check for formal charge. Each hydrogen donates 1 electron, carbon donates 4 electrons. Each hydrogen is assigned 1 of its 2 bonding electrons. The carbon is assigned 4 of its 8 bonding electrons. When the formal charge is calculated for each atom, it is found to be 0. Thus, this is the preferred and only suitable Lewis structure for methane. Previously, the Lewis structure of beryllium fluoride was constructed, and in step 5 it was shown that beryllium was electron deficient with only 4 bonding electrons, while the fluorine atoms each had an octet. For this molecule, with the application of step 6, 3 alternate structures can be created in which beryllium satisfies the octet rule. Step 7 is not applicable, but Step 8 includes 4 alternate structures, including 1 constructed previously. Step 9 is applied to each structure where each fluorine atom donates 7 electrons and the beryllium atom donates 2 electrons. The electrons in the various alternate Lewis structures are assigned to the atoms of those structures by assigning each atom its lone pair electrons and half of its bonding electrons. The formal charges are calculated. The only structure that exhibits 0 formal charge on each atom is the original electron deficient structure. Recall the preferred structure is that with the formal charge on each atom closest to 0 and, if applicable, any negative charge placed on the most electronegative atom. The next presentation in this series will consider the use of formal charge to justify hypervalent Lewis structures.